Alright guys, I'm running my slider number 1164, which is the Why Last Man Standing number 1. Thanks to all those who joined the punt. Time's now 9:05 on Tuesday the 9th of November. 9:05 Tuesday the 9th of November here in Perth, WA. List is 110 spots. So 110 we've got Michael, down to 1 where we've got David. Put those in. So 110 is Michael down there. Up to 1 is David. Roll the dice 3 times. 3, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we got 8 rolls. Good luck, everyone. 110 items in the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more to go. That one was 6, 7, 8. Good luck, everyone. Hit me up when you've seen this. Wow, so we've got 8 times. 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Alright, let's see who's taking this one home. Spot number 1, it's Rishi. Congrats, mate. Hit me up when you've seen this, and I'll have this out for you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone. That time is 9:07. Oops, 9:07 here. Again, Rishi with spot 81. And that was run 8 times, and 3, 6, 7, 8.